wrapped up like a deuce, another runner in the night, blinded by the lights. Wrapped up like a deuce, another runner in the night, blinded by the lights.
Okay, so I got the other transmission put in, molded up fine. Belts that look brand new that fit that Craftsman over there, what's left to it. I got to figure out the gear shifter. Gonna finish taking that one apart and pull the gear shifter assembly off of it and compare the two. I don't think it's too wide. I think it's just the way it's built. But yeah, it's definitely different from this one over here. That damn deck lever might be in the damn way though, the way it's set up. Probably why they did it like that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure that out and put a belt on it, different one anyway. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't know why that belt slipped off, but it's super loose now. Anyway, let me get back to it. Okay, so I've gotten a lot done today. Let me come over here so maybe you can pick up the light. Now let me pull out my other phone. Go away. That's a little bit better. But anyway, got a lot done today. Got the old transmission out, got the body off, got all the accessories and stuff. I got the new transmission mounted. I got the gear shifter selector mounted, kind of. I got to work a little bit more on it tomorrow if I have time. I got to put the new belt on, which is smaller than that one, which means I may do away with these two pulleys because that's a Craftsman transmission. So on these Craftsmans there's only 2 idler pulleys instead of 4. May have to do away with those 2. I don't really see any reason why they're on there. So put the body back on, test drive it, see if it drives okay. I gotta clean out the gas tank first. Before I do all that, I need to change the solenoid switch, which I do have another one. I think it works. Put some Fix-A-Flat on one of the tires, air this tire back up, may put Fix-A-Flat in it also. Clean out the tank, put everything back together, take it for a test drive. If it works, if it drives good, then put the deck on it and it'll be ready to put up for sale. Well, yeah, and do a tune-up to the motor also. But, yeah, here's the old transmission. It's all fiberglass, and like I said, this double pulley back here is no good. I believe that was my main problem, and I could have changed it, but there could have been something else wrong with the mower too. So, oh yeah, and I got to get a brake set up. The other one, this one had a brake cable for it, and I'm going to set up a push rod for the brakes. So, but it's a hydro. I mean, I may not even put the brakes on it to be certain because I don't know. I don't know yet. It depends on how I do this. But I guess I'll pick back up on it tomorrow. I have some other things to do tomorrow, but I can work a little bit on it. Alright.
We didn't know that it would blow up. With